Hello everyone, in this video I have solved some questions on AP. So let's understand all those questions. First number, the nth term, first question says the nth term of the sequence is 2n minus 3. Find its 15th term. We have to find 15th term. So 15th term is equal to 2n minus 3 and we'll put n is equal to 15 and solve it. Then 27 will be the answer. 27 is the 15th term. This was so simple question. Now second question says find the 13th term of the sequence 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2 and so on. So first first find what is A and what is D, means what is first term and what is common difference. So first term is 1 by 2, that is A is equal to 1 by 2, and the common difference is second term minus first term. The second term minus first term, that will be half. So D is equal to 1 by 2. Now put the value of A and D in the formula. So Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 D is the formula. So we have to find 30th term, 30th term. So T30 is equal to, in place of A, 1 by 2 plus, in place of n we'll write 30 because we have to find 30th term, minus 1 into D, that is half, and we'll solve this equation and we'll get 15. 15 is the answer. Third is, how many terms are there in the series 0.5, 0.53, 0.56 and so on till 1.1. So first we'll find A and D. So first term is 0.5, that is A is equal to 0.5. Common difference is second term minus first term, that will be 0.03. And last term is given in this question. So L is equal to 1.1. Now just put all these values in the formula. L is equal to, that is last term is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. Just put all these values in the formula, then we'll get n is equal to 21. Means the unknown value is n. We have to find how many terms are there. So we have to find the n, number of terms. So n is 21 and we'll get the answer. Now question 4. Which term of the AP 1, 4, 7, 10 is 52? So it is asking which term. Means we have to find n. So first find A and D, that is A is equal to, first term is 1 and common difference is 4 minus 1, that is 3, and Tn is given, that is 52. Okay, so simply we'll put the value in this formula. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1D. In place of Tn we'll write 52. In place of A we'll write 1, and we have to find n. N is the unknown variable here, and in place of D we'll write 3 and we'll solve it. Then we'll get n is equal to 18. So 18th term is the answer. Now question number 5. If 5th and 6th term of an AP are respectively 6 and 5, means 5th term is given 6, that is 5th term is given 6, and 6th term is 5. Okay, 6th term is 5. Find the 11th term of the AP. हमें क्या निकालना है? 11th term निकालना है. Now हम इस दोनों इक्वेशन इस दोनों के हेल्प से हम पहले इक्वेशन ले लेते हैं. See, 5th term is 6, means T5, यहाँ पे आप 5 लिख सकते हो. T5 is equal to A plus n minus 1D. Now in place of n we'll write 5 because 5th term हमें निकालना है. Sorry, 5th term 6 दिया हुआ है, and in place of n we'll write 5 and we'll get this equation. यहाँ पे आप लिख सकते हो, let the first term be A and common difference be D. So you can write the here, let the first term be A and the common difference be D. Now इसकी हेल्प से हम ये निकाल लेंगे. 5th term is 6 दिया हुआ है, तो 5th T5 is equal to, in place of n we'll write 5 and T5 is given 6. So we'll write 6 and we'll get this equation. Similarly, 6th term is 5. So this T6 is equal to 5. T6 is equal to 5 and in place of n we'll write 6. and we'll get this equation. Now by equating both the equation 1 and 2, we'll get d is equal to -1. Okay, we'll get d is equal to -1. Now putting this value in first equation. Now put the value of d in the equation 1, that is 6 is equal to a plus 4d. We'll get a is equal to 10. And now we have got d is equal to -1 and a is equal to 10. Now we can find the 11th term of an AP. So put the value of a, that is 10, put the value of d, that is -1, and n is equal to 11. Now solve it, we'll get 0 answer. So 11th term of the 11th term is 0. Now question 6. If the third term of an AP is 5 and the 17th term is 9, find the 17th term. This question is similar to this question. Okay, so third term is given, that is 5. Third term is given 5 and the 7th term is given 9. Now with the help of this, we'll find one equation. Now third term is 5, means T3 is equal to 5. T3 is equal to 5. Now in place of n, we'll write 3. Here also you can write, let the first term be a and the common difference be d. So we'll get this equation. Now with the help of this, T7 is equal to a plus n minus 1d. In place of n, we'll write 7 and T7 is given 9. Now we'll get the another equation. This. Now by equating both the equation 1 and 2, equation we'll get d is equal to 1. Okay, so now put the value of d in equation 1. Put the value of d in equation 1, or you can put it also into, then we'll get a is equal to 3. Okay, now we know the value of d and we know the value of a. So now we got the value of a, that is 3 and d is equal to 1. Now with the help of this, we can find the 17th term. So put the value of a and d in the equation and solve it. T17, in place of n, we'll write 17 and then solve it, we'll get 19. So 17th term will be 19 answer. Now question number 7. If Tn represents nth term of an AP, T2 plus T5 minus T3 is equal to 10 and T2 plus T9 is equal to 17, find its first term and its common difference. So we know that T1 plus T2, T2, T3, these all are in series. T1 is the first term, T2 is the second term, and T3 is the third term, and so on. And also we know that in general terms, a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, and so on. These all are in sequence. These all are in AP. See, these all are general terms of an AP. Okay. So in see, we know that T1 is first term, a is first term. We know that T2 is the second term. This is the second term, a plus d. T3 is the third term. We know that a plus 2d is the third term. So what we will do in this question, T2 plus T5 minus T3 is equal to 10. It is given in the question. Okay. So we'll write T2 plus T5 minus T3 is equal to 10. And in place of T2, we'll write a plus d. That is, a plus d is the second term, no? And here it is written T2. T2 is the second term. So we'll write a plus d. Okay. A plus d, and in place of T5 we'll write a plus 4d minus T3. In place of T3 we'll write a plus 2d, okay, is equal to 10. Now from this we'll get one equation, that will be a plus 3d is equal to 10. We'll get one equation. Okay, now second, in this question only, second part is T2 plus T9 is equal to 17. It is also given in this question. So now T2 plus T9 is equal to 17. Now same thing we'll do. In place of T2 we'll write a plus d. In place of T9 we'll write a plus 8d is equal to 17. Okay. Now we'll solve this and we'll get this equation, that is 2a plus 9d is equal to 17. Now we have equation 1 and equation 2. Now by equating both the equation 1 and 2, we will get a is equal to 7 minus 60. Okay. Now we'll get a is equal to 7 minus 60. We'll take this equation 3. Now put the value of a in the equation 1. This a, put the value of a in the equation 1. Now by putting that value of a in the equation 1, we'll get d is equal to minus 1. Now we have d is equal to, we got d is equal to minus 1. Now put the value of this d in the equation 3 in this equation. Okay, put the value of d in this equation, we'll get a. So put the value of d in the equation 3. A is equal to 7 minus 60 was the equation, and we got a is equal to 13. Now we know the d is equal to minus 1 and a is equal to 13. So the first term is this 13, and d is, common difference is minus 1. So this was the answer. Now question number 8. In an AP, 10 times of its 10th term, 10 times of its 10th term is equal to 30 times of its 30th term. Find its 40th term. So see, 10 टाइम ऑफ इट्स 10th टर्म बोला है ना, तो हम क्या करेंगे, 10 टाइम्स ऑफ इट्स 10th टर्म, ओके, दैट इज T10 इज इक्वल टू 30th टाइम ऑफ इट्स 30th टर्म. सी 30th टाइम ऑफ इट्स 30 टर्म मीन्स 30 टाइम ऑफ इट्स 30th टर्म. ओके, नाउ we'll solve this question. How? In place of Tn we'll write, see, in place of T10, what was the formula of Tn? That is a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, and in place of this we'll do the same thing, a plus n minus 1 d. Okay. So what I have done, simply I just trot in place of Tn, I just put the formula, that is a plus n minus 1d, and in place of T30, same thing I have done, that is I wrote the formula a plus n minus 1d. Now in place of in place of n we'll write 10 for T10, and in place of n we'll write 30 for the T30. Okay, and we have solved this further, and we got 10 into a plus 90 is equal to 30 into a plus 29d. Okay, so now I have solved further. It is 10a plus 90d is equal to 30a plus 870d. By solving this, we will get a is equal to minus 39d. So in the question, it was written that we have to find its 40th term. Okay, so now we have to find the 40th term. So we'll write the formula a plus n minus 1d. We got a is equal to minus 39d, that is minus 30. We put the value of a in this, that is minus 39d, plus in place of n we'll write 40 minus 1d, that will be plus 39d. Inside in this step, minus 39d plus 39d. Now this will be cancelled out, and 0 is the answer. So T40 means for 40th term will be 0. So this was the answer. Hope this video would be helpful to you. Thank you.